Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the course introduction about the specialization course offered to business analytics students. The course title is Data Warehousing and Data Mining. This is one of the course which is important for business analytics students in order to know about how a data can be analyzed, summarized, and then interpreted. So here, the main objective of this course is you will be learning about the fundamentals of what is called data warehouse and what is called data mining. And the second important thing is you'll be learning about what are the various components and tools are there to extract the data and then to transfer the data, and then you can do any kind of analysis. You can prepare any kind of a report with the help of the data warehouse and data mining tools. And under this, there is one important data mining tools which is called online analytical processing. So you'll be learning about OLAP and its usage in various sectors for various purpose. And also there are various programs are there, algorithms are there, which defining the rules, association rules, classification algorithms in order to extract the data in order to sort out the data. So based on this, here the subject consists of 4 units. So first unit, we will be learning about the introduction of what is called data warehouse. Second unit, we will be learning about ETL process, extract, transform, and load from the available data warehouse. And third unit, you'll be learning about exact tool, online analytical processing tools, which is used for data mining process. And the fourth one is we'll be discussing about the fundamental concept of data mining. So here we'll be discussing what are things we'll be discussing under the first unit. So under unit number 1, data warehouse, you'll be learning about the basic concept of what is called data warehouse. Here you'll be learning out how it is used in the corporate and how it works, what is its characteristics feature, and there are different structures out there, which is also called as a data warehouse architecture. All right, you'll be learning about different levels of data warehouse architecture and the model and the schema of data warehouse, which is used in the various corporate sector for various functional department activities. And you'll be learning about the difference between the database system and the data warehouse system. Right. So from this particular unit, you'll be learning, you'll come to know about the fundamental concept of what is called data warehouse and how it is used in the corporate company. Right. So based on this, you'll be learning about the various data warehouse tools. For example, if you take Amazon, they have Amazon Redshift and Oracle, IBM. So every companies have their own data warehouse system. How those data warehouse systems as well as the tools is working in those companies, you will be learning about that. And also we can have a discussion about the case study on how this data warehouse systems has been adapted and used effectively by the retail sectors. From the second unit, so second unit is a very important topic, important concept for the data warehouse. Where in first unit you learned about the basic concept of what is called data and its structure and its characteristics and its usage, works, all those things. And now the one important process in data warehouse is ETL process. What are the data that you have collected from the various sources that should be properly extracted and should be properly transformed. Transform the sense is conversion of the data. Whether you are converting unstructured data into a structured data or semi-structured data into a structured data, or converting your data into a format which is a record for the respective department, whatever it is. So you'll be learning about the extraction, transformation, and loading process. And once if you're following the ETL process, how that particular data warehouse should be designed, which is talking about the format, all right, as well as, and you have to undergo a evaluation as well as a review to monitor whether the data in the respective data warehouse or which is converted is in a exact form or not. So here you will be learning about the ETL process of data warehouse, which is followed in various corporate companies, right? And based on this, we will see how the data warehouse has been followed in Amazon, Flipkart, various online platform, and retail sectors, hospitals, all those things. And with continue to that, third unit, we are going to talk about the one specific tools called OLAP. which is called online analytical processing, right? So this is one of the important tool, okay, important components which is used by most of the sector. All right. So here there are various models are there, OLP model. Okay, we have MOLAP and ROLAP and DOLAP modification models and relationship, all those things. So here from this OLAP model, we'll be discussing about how it is used, what is the functions of OLP model in the various sector. And with specific to that, we can have a trial, or we can have a demonstration about that how the OLAP process has been applied, adapted in our college in the library system. Right, so how it is functioning with the library database, we can able to show that. And there are various apps as well as the free softwares are there. So through the open source, we can able to see the model, how the OLAP model has been developed and it has been working for each and every sector. And with continue to that, the final unit of your course is data mining. So here in fourth unit, so far the last three topics, 3 units, we have discussed about the data warehouse and its tools and its process. And after that, data mining is one of the important functions, important activities which is carried out in the organization. So many companies have their database, they collected the data from various sources and they are stored in the database, and they started using those data, okay, for various activities. So when you are transferring that, how you can able to sort out certain data, or how you can able to extract a specific data according to the software or according to the tools what you are using. So here in data mining, you'll be learning about the pre-processing activities as well as how to take the exact data. So extraction is called as a mining. So extraction of the data and which data is required, which data is not required, and how to transform it, how to identify the similarity between the data which is available in the data warehouse and the data that you want to convert according to the data mining process, similarity, dissimilarity. And here we have association rules, classification techniques where you can apply all this algorithm to analyze your data and to give an interpretation for all those things. So this is a fourth unit, and here we'll be having a technical presentation as well as expert lecture on how to write the pre algorithm, partition algorithm, decision tree, Navy Bayes class form, classification algorithm, and based on that, you will come to know, you will learn how to write and execute the algorithm, okay, for data mining process. So these are the four topics we are going to discuss in the class, and these are things we are going to learn in the upcoming days in this semester. All right. So these are the books that you can refer for additional information, and these are some of the data warehouse tools used by the company. So Oracle, they have a specific data warehouse tool, and MarkLogic as well as the Amazon Redshift, all those things. So these are some of the tools you can follow how the data warehouse tool has been applied. And these are top 10 data warehouse tools used by most of the multinational companies like Amazon, IBM, Oracle, Google, TCS. Okay, and there are different models also there. So according to their functional activities, the companies are using a different data warehouse models also, which we are going to discuss in the upcoming class. And similarly, this is data mining tools. So you have a specific tools for each and every process. If you are dealing with the text, if you're dealing with the code, if you're dealing with the barcode, okay, QR scanner, you're dealing with some forecasting data, you're dealing with the market data, and you're dealing with the customer information, you're dealing with CRM process. According to that, there are different data mining tools are there. So you can follow or you can apply any one of these tools, and you can learn how a data mining process has been applied, adapted in the various sector in the country, right? So these are things that for your reference I want to know. So with this, we will end, and in the next video, in the upcoming classes, we can able to see the detailed information about the data warehouse and data mining. So thank you one and all.